Did you know you can start making money online using free AI tools, even if you're a complete beginner? In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that people are using right now to make money from home. These tools are easy to use, beginner-friendly, and some of them are completely free. Let's get started. First is ChatGPT. This AI can write content for you in seconds. You can use it to create blog posts, social media captions, or even YouTube scripts. Many people are making money by offering writing services online using this tool. Next is Canva. Canva now has AI tools that can create designs, social media posts, and even videos. You can use Canva to design logos, posters, or Instagram posts and sell them online. This tool is amazing if you don't like using your own voice. 11 Labs can turn text into realistic voiceovers. You can use it for YouTube videos, ads, or even audiobooks. Pictory allows you to turn text into videos automatically. You can create YouTube videos, TikToks, or ads without filming anything. Jasper AI is another powerful writing tool used by marketers. It helps create high-quality content for businesses, which you can sell as a service. Here's a bonus tip. You don't need to master all these tools. Just pick one, practice it, and start offering simple services online. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple ways to make money online using AI.